Hey everybody, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina, and on this channel I do hauls. I do Temu, Dollar Tree, Five Below. If this sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe. And today I have a Five Below haul for you. It's a small haul, but it's a haul nonetheless. Okay, so the first things I'm going to show you are the main reason why I went to Five Below. To get these weights. I was going to get 3-pound ones, but I ended up getting 4 because when I lifted the 3 pounds, they were a little light to me, and I need to, strengthen my arms, so I wanted to get these. I believe they were $5 each. Okay. There are 2 items that I don't have to share with you because they're already being used. One is a stitch calendar, and the other is a set of tweezers, which is boring. So, next up, I did get this novelty phone stand. I thought this was cute. They did have other colors. I think they had pink and blue, but I just wanted the clear one because I thought I would use this maybe for my office, and you can put your phone like right here, on the side, so if you want to watch YouTube or something like that. I mean, you don't have to. You could also put it this way, but I just like that you could actually do it this way, because usually stands you can only do it this way. So, and I believe this was $4. I think I still have the receipt. Oh yeah, actually the receipt's right here. So let's see, the tweezers were $5. It was a set of 4. The phone stand was actually $3, which is even better than the $4. And the dumbbells were $5 each. And then the stitch calendar was $4. Okay, next up, I don't know how this broke, okay, but sometimes when my fiance goes in the store with me, he points stuff out for me, so I always end up, he says that I'm a shopper, but every time he goes in with me, I always end up buying more stuff than I actually wanted to go in there for. But this is something he picked out, which I thought was kind of cool. It's an exfoliating, like a palm thing. You put your hand in it and you could scrub your body and stuff, and I thought this was cool. So yeah, he always picks stuff out for me, like, ooh, look at that, look at that. He picked out a lot more than I actually bought. I had to put some extra stuff back. But next up, the exfoliator. Let's see, exfoliator. That was $5. That was actually more than I would have intended. Like, if I knew, because they don't have prices on a lot of the stuff, at least the one I went to, I probably wouldn't have paid $5. I probably wouldn't have got this if I knew it was $5. But next up is this eyelash curler. I think I seen like a reel or something like that had something that looked like this. So since he pointed it out to me, I thought it'd be cool to try it out. It's probably a cheaper version than the one I seen on the reel, but it might work. You never know. And let's see, this was $5. Now that's a little pricier than I would want because it's definitely made out of plastic. But it's fine. Oh, I did forget one thing. I did get him a key lanyard, a green and black one. And that was, I'll probably show a picture of all the stuff that I'm not showing you right now so you can see what it looks like. And that was $3, the lanyard. And the last thing in here, make sure that's the last thing. Okay, yeah, that's the last thing. So the last thing in here, I actually found it. I was looking like it was just in an area by itself. And I didn't know how much it was or anything, but I did want to pick it up. I was hoping I could find other ones that had a different scent. But I did find this pink hibiscus dragon fruit body butter that is a dupe for the Boom Boom Cream, and I love the Boom Boom Cream. I have a small one, but I will not pay $48 for the big one. I am cheap that way. I might do it on my birthday for a birthday present to myself because I really do want that. But this is a good dupe though. It doesn't, the scent isn't as strong as the Bum Bum Cream, but it does smell good and it does last pretty long. I've been using it. Every time I take a shower. I put it on and my fiance is like, ooh, you smell so good. And it lasts almost, I would say, you know, almost through the whole day. So yeah, I'm going to look on their website and see if there's any more scents. Because like I said, I couldn't even find where this was displayed at in the store. This was literally the only one that was there. So that's everything for this Five Below haul. Like I said, make sure you subscribe because I will have other hauls. A lot of people watch my Temu hauls, but I do mostly Temu hauls, but every now and then I'll throw another type of haul in because, you know, I can't order Temu every single day. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.